Hey everybody, Ted, Nick, Anthony and I here. 2016 75-foot Hatteras motor yacht. This vessel's recently gone through a pretty extensive refit, full paint job top to bottom, new enclosure, new electronics, a bunch of stuff we'll cover here on the walkthrough. At that same time, it was outfitted with a sea-lift hydraulic swim platform. This vessel is unique as it also features a davit up top, so you have potential for two water toys. Large glass doors, actuated, teak cockpit. There's a wet bar in the cockpit. Stepping up to the fly bridge, aft deck of the boat, also teak as well as into the bridge. Location for additional water sport if wanted. Grilling station just forward. There's twin Kenyon electric grills, acrylic slide enclosure, twin air conditioned helm area. Helm features systems monitor, digital control panel for the newly installed water maker, upgraded the previous model, 3 glass screens, Garmin software, most modern FLIR, engine room, exterior cameras also piped in. You have a track digital display, new Caterpillar digital displays, bow thruster control, twin Icom VHF, CAT digital binnacle, Garmin autopilot. New soft goods throughout the table, bar, 3 stools. Refrigeration has been added up here. Original stainless refrigerator behind the bar is there, and a commercial unit has been added port side next to the Raritan ice maker. There's an aft sunscreen in the cockpit. Also new all soft goods in the cockpit. Teak furniture. Bow deck, recently upgraded multi-position backrest sun pad, and side settee bench areas also have new upholstery. Ground tackle has been upgraded, slightly heavier anchor than what was originally outfitted on the vessel. All lighting LED. The vessel does have underwater lights. Cap stands, both port and starboard. In cockpit. Salon has hardwood floors, extremely well lit, natural lighting, L-shaped sofa, ottoman, tank monitors, surround sound, actuated television. Ship's door, starboard, just forward of the sink. Very large galley, center island, 4-burner glass top, convection microwave, full-size dishwasher, very large sink. Large atrium style overhead windows, creates a very expansive and quite stunning area. Pantry forward of the settee. Formal dining options, AC/DC panels, and all ships GFI breakers. Just to the port from the stairs going down below deck. Full beam aft master, large hull windows, king berth, ensuite head, large shower, very large walk-in closet. VIP V berth forward, island queen, ensuite head, separate shower. Port side guest twin bunk room. Starboard guest queen, ensuite head. Stackable laundry to port. This boat is surprisingly economical. Very legitimate ability to run this trawler style, 10 knots. Extremely minimal fuel consumption. At 1900 RPM, the vessel will be rolling 20 knots. At a minuscule, only 60% engine load. Total fuel burn at that rate, roughly 80 gallons per hour. Things that set this vessel apart, many redundant items have been added to the engine room. There's solar panels on the hardtop. There's an inverter system in case the ship loses power or choosing to not be on generator. Twin generators, ability to split the load, extensive maintenance records on Cat C32s, new spot zero, new water maker. Check out the listing on this to see all the full specs on it. It's a beautiful machine. It's been babied by her original owner. It's a stunning vessel. Thank you.